give y'all an update before I close this video. So I decided to separate the curls and made it more fluffy, and I just wanted to show you this is how I slept. I just put on my silk cap and I slept, and I slept and it was still pretty. So take it off, just fluff it out. So this is next day here. Also, it is a very hot day outside. I've been outside all day running errands. It's like 90 degrees outside and it's very humid. And this is why I put in a little bit of the gel to keep my hair from getting frizzy. As you can see, my hair is still looking very nice and beautiful. So the heat and the humidity did not impact my hair any. So just keep that in mind as well. There you have it. I was going for the look so that my hair can look shorter than it is. I've been having an itch within the last couple of weeks to just cut off all of my hair. I'm feeling like I want my hair short, and I've been told, what are you thinking? Leave your hair alone. It's beautiful. Don't cut it. So I think this is the closest thing that I can do to it to make it look shorter than it really is. I don't even want to pull these apart. They look so pretty, and this is the look that I am going for. I am so amazed at what foil paper. These curls are beautiful. My hair is soft. Can you feel it? The curls are beautiful. They're well defined, and my hair looks short. This is what I was going for, and I'm so glad that I was able to achieve this look. So yes, if you choose to give this a try, let me know how it turned out for you. This was fun, and it wasn't hard to sleep in. I kept these in for 2 days. I slept with it 2 nights in a row. It was very comfortable. All I did was tie my head with my silk, one of my silk scarf, and I even went out on the road with these things in my hair because I felt like I just had no hair on my head. You could see the little pieces, the little foil sticking out, but I truly didn't care. I was rocking it. This is definitely going to be something that is going to be one of my favorite things to do with my hair. I've tried the rods to sleep in, the flexi rods. I've tried the other rods to sleep in to curl my hair, and when I tell you, by far, just putting in the foil paper or to curl the hair, it's amazing how these curls turned out. I am still in amazement. I am so happy with the outcome of my hair. It's giving me short summer vibes. This is what I wanted. Because I can achieve this, it reminds me of when I did my big chop. I was in this element. It's fun. It's fun. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this video, and I love the way that it turned out. Let me know your thoughts on it. Like the video, share the video, and Eve will see y'all in the next video.